Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Biossance The Nourisher. This is the travel size of 4 milliliters or 0.14 fluid ounces, called the Nourisher, made of precious rose face oil. The key ingredients: squalene acts as a barrier, protecting skin from moisture loss and leaving the skin soft and nourished. Trilose crystal oil is extracted from crystal drops from a tree in Greece. It boosts natural collagen production and keeps the skin firm and supple. Vitamin C rejuvenates the skin while helping to fight free radicals, and it gives the skin a healthy, radiant glow. And the Damascus rose extract from delicate fresh flowers, it awakens senses and relieves nervous tension. So those are pretty much the ingredients in this. It's distributed in Emeryville, California, and it's non-toxic, no synthetic fragrance, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, and it's for all skin types. And so the directions for use are to massage a few drops into a cleansed face and neck morning and night, and adjust the drops as needed. So this is what it looks like. This little bottle here. This would be something you could carry in your purse with you or on an airplane. It's tiny enough, especially if your skin gets super dry on flights. So this is the texture, nice and soft, and it smells a little like roses. There's not a strong scent to it, but it smells a little bit like roses. The reason I got the travel size was because I wasn't sure if I'd want to get the full size, because it's a little pricey, and I think, getting a trial size is actually a pretty good idea if you're not sure about a product. So this one I'm super happy with, and I actually gave myself a facial this weekend and used a lot of exfoliation and masked products, and I dried my skin out really bad around my mouth and my chin, and I put this on it because I knew it would be more moisturizing, and it's absolutely helping with the dryness. So I need to go less hard on my face when I do facials, but I would be comfortable. I mean, I've used it for a couple weeks now, just here and there. I haven't been, I get bad about taking my makeup off at night, and also forget to wash my face and put my night creams on, even though I'm really good about putting them on in the morning. At night I get lazy and tired and forget. But this Biossance Nourisher is a really great product. I'm trying to see what else it says on here on the back. And yeah, just for external use only. And I mean, it says it all, the Nourisher. That's exactly what it is. And it's a really good nourisher, and it's a really good moisturizer for your face. And it doesn't feel greasy, even though it's an oil. That's the really interesting thing. It just feels nice and smooth, and it absorbs very nicely into the skin. So I would say that I would give this, I give it 5 out of 5 stars. I really like it. I think this is a product that I'm going to buy the full size and add it to my beauty arsenal. And yeah, just try and keep the routine up of putting it on at night and in the morning. And the best thing you can do for your skin is always prevent. So always use SPF and moisturizer, under eye cream, because once you have the damage, it's pretty much impossible to reverse unless you're someone who has a lot of money and can go and do expensive spa treatments, laser facials, etc., etc. So Biossance Nourisher, made mostly with a mixture of roses. Everything in here is natural, so don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Maybe try the trial size first and see if you like it. And yeah, like I said, don't always take my word for it. Try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.